This is a video for this set of Thule Caprock platform adapters. It comes as a kit. It has everything you need that you kind of see in this one of 4 brackets here. They're specifically designed to work with the Thule Caprock platform. They're flat platform racks. So you can put on basically any vehicle that you want to. You can put them on a Sprinter van, camper van, you can put them on a trailer like I've got here, or a vehicle that's got Thule crossbars on it. This is if you don't have that. This is what I needed for my roof rack attachment, was this kit. And the kit comes with 4 of these adapters. You kind of see them. There's 1, 2, 3, and then the 4th one here is up front, which has the 2 locking attachment points for the Thule locking system. The way this adapter kit works is pretty cool. Each one of these are basically the same. These sections here twist off when you're getting ready to mount it, so you kind of have some flexibility when where you're gonna put it, so you can keep these bolts kind of loose and then kind of slide it around where you want it. It's supposed to be evenly placed to keep the weight distribution correct. And then when you're ready to tighten them down, they give you this included ratchet, which is basically a flat ratchet. It has a built-in 4 Newton meter torque wrench built into it, so you can't over torque these bolts. You're going to be tightening down these ones here. So when you're setting it up and you're trying to move around and get it where you want it, you get it into a spot, and then you wrench down the bolts with this included ratchet. These 2 attachment points, like I said, have the key. So when you lock this, it pushes up a piece of plastic inside this part here so they can no longer come back out. And if they can't come back out, then they can't come down, which means that this one is basically impossible to come off this rack point here. It's only one of the 4 that locks. You only have to do this one time. If you can't get one of these adapters off, then you can't get the rest of the adapters off. It's really nice and kind of a brilliant idea. Like all Thule products, their locking systems are first class. So one thing to note about it is this portion here, which is the part that holds it onto your existing rack, can be flipped over. I needed to have it this way, but it could be flipped over in case your crossbar was smaller. So if you can imagine the bend being up towards the top here, it would pinch down on a smaller crossbar as well. They give you this handy tool to measure the height of your crossbar and then tell you exactly which direction, whether it's rounded up or rounded down. Then it tells you if your bar is in this range, it's not going to work, and it's not going to work if it's much larger than a certain dimension too. So check the specifications. I believe it's about 2 inches or 1 7/8 inches is the max on a crossbar, and I don't know what the minimum is because I was looking for something that was larger to meet my requirements here. Like I said, Thule products are first class. They hold up over long periods of time. I've had some of my Thule products for over a decade, but the locking mechanism to me was the game changer on this. I don't expect this rack to come off at all.